Not every celebration needs a reservation. This year we decided to do something different. Instead of booking a restaurant, we packed the car. No fancy reservations, just food, camping gear, and a plan to just disconnect. There's something peaceful about driving out of the city and watching those buildings slowly turn into mountains. The darker the road got, the clearer our minds felt. A little off road adventure never hurts. The kids were already calling it the best trip ever. By the time the road turned rough, we knew we were close. Wadi Shawka was waiting. Not the usual crowded spots, but a quiet corner hidden away. Getting there is half the adventure. And just like that, our home for the night. Wadi Shawka, my favorite camping spot. Not the usual spot, but a hidden location where we decided to spend the night. Firewood, cool air, mountains all around. What a beautiful feeling, especially when you're with your loved ones. Simple food tastes different outdoors. Maybe it's the smoke, maybe it's the company. While me and my wife were preparing dinner for all of us, we saw this beautiful sight of our children exploring the mountains. With no screens, no noise, just music from our speakers. Something that we didn't capture, but we were extremely happy to see that sight. Dinner wasn't anything fancy, just simple grilled food which our kids love. They sat outside their tents eating and laughing while we sat and watched them quietly enjoying the moment. The kids went off to sleep, and that's when me and my wife started enjoying our romantic moment between the mountains. I was busy setting up the telescope, and that night we pointed the telescope at the sky and we saw a beautiful sight of Jupiter with its four moons. Something that I was not able to capture through the phone, but yet is another memory. Wow, morning at Wadi Shawka hits different. No alarms, just sunlight finding its way through the mountains. One simple night just turned into a beautiful memory. Sometimes the best celebrations don't need decorations, just the right people. And the road back felt a little quieter. Full hearts, tired kids, and one more memory added. For more family escapes, follow our journey.